how's it going? It's a little bit of a different video. I'm gonna go over a tip for beginners, okay? Completely for beginners. If you're having a tough time drawing, a lot of it might have to do with your hand control. How you control your hand is a big part of drawing. So especially these drawings, they're very simple, they have thicker lines, so one mistaken marker can lead to a ruined drawing, right? And you have to try it over again. What I recommend you do is improve your control, and your general control will lead to better drawings. So if you can control the stroke easier, you're gonna find the whole thing much easier across the board. So also, before I forget, like and subscribe to the video if you do like it. Also share it, that helps a lot. But what I really like is for you guys to comment and give me feedback, because that lets me know that you're paying attention and that you're here. Also, even if you just say hi, I love the highs. So this is just one little tip on control. So what I recommend doing is I recommend that you move from the shoulder blade instead of the wrist. You can move for the wrist, but the wrist, for example, that's for smaller strokes and smaller things on paper, right? That's for writing. This when you're anchoring and you're writing. That's kind of really what the wrist movement I think is good for, is proficient at, is writing. But we're not writing, you're drawing larger shapes, especially here. So what I want you to do is kind of get your elbow into it. This is your elbow area, right? If I move from the elbow only, and then if you move from your shoulder, kind of combination from your shoulder and your elbow. If you move from the shoulder, you can see right now this is mostly my shoulder elbow area. I can make much larger strokes because I moved from that shoulder elbow. Mostly the shoulder right here. So what I recommend, and this is an exercise that you should do, is just make circles and practice drawing from your shoulder area. Just make circles, and that's all you have to do. Do them both directions. Do them clockwise and counterclockwise, and do a page of those. And maybe you can do them warming up before you draw, and you're gonna see your drawing improve drastically. It's gonna be scary almost if you do this for like a few weeks. It's especially with simplistic drawings, like the skull or anything we do. A lot of the things on this channel are simple. So I will put more advanced stuff later on through the mid-season. I'm planning on putting very advanced stuff, or at least upper intermediate. But that's it. That's your tip. That's your Halloween tip. Go make me proud. I really believe in all you guys. If you want to keep track of me as well, find me on Instagram. I'll post it below. It is sketch_monster1. So find me on Instagram, sketch_monster1, and you can send me a message. I'm very approachable. I talk to a lot of people on there, so talk to me. Thank you guys.